Hopefully you have had time to brainstorm some ideas about a fiction story you've read that you can respond to. Let's look at this planning and pre-writing page. Write your opinion of a story you've read. Begin by telling your overall opinion of the book, and then add detail and examples from the story to support your opinion. The book title, okay, is very important here. Here the book title is Charlotte's Web, but clearly yours may not be Charlotte's Web if that's not a story that you've read recently. Okay. The overall opinion is that Charlotte's Web is a wonderful story about a most unusual pig. This is from our example. Okay. The map here also shows not only your opinion, but the problem, okay, the reasons for your opinion, the details that support your opinion, and a conclusion that restates your opinion. Okay, we know that the writer really likes this story. Okay, and we know that because she says this is a wonderful story. All right, so you are going to make a graphic organizer kind of like this one, and it's going to help you to plan your response to fiction. Okay, you can fill out your idea support map here for the girl who loved spiders, or you could use another story. But remember to add notes that tell how you feel about the different characters and events in the story. Okay? So if I was going to stick with the Charlotte's Web example, here is the story's main challenge or problem, the reasons that I like the story, and details that support my opinion for why this story is fun to read and that the ending is both happy and sad. And then the conclusion restates my opinion that the book captured my imagination. Okay, so pause the video here. Make a planning pre-writing page like this just in your composition notebook or on a plain lined piece of paper, and choose a story that you can respond to. Remember, it needs to be fiction. Come back to the video once you have done that. All right, using your completed graphic organizer that you just completed for pre-writing, you are going to begin your draft. Okay, you're going to use those ideas on that graphic organizer, and you're going to start with a response. Sorry, you're going to start the response with your sentence that draws your readers in and makes them want to read more. It states your overall opinion as well. Then you're going to include reasons and examples and details from the story that support your opinion using precise language, which we have practiced. And then you're going to conclude your response to fiction with a statement that again sums up your overall opinion. Okay, so in your composition notebook or a lined piece of paper, you're going to begin to draft your response to fiction using this pre-writing planning page and map that you have just worked on. So it's fresh in your mind. Just begin to fill in the information and turn it into a response.